All right, let's now talk about Sanjay Roy and what he was doing the night that he allegedly committed this crime, or rather the wee hours of the morning. The accused Sanjay Roy's night of depravity is what we are telling you about. Sources have indicated to us that at about 11 o'clock at night on the 8th of August, he started consuming alcohol right behind the RG Kar hospital. He used to watch porn while consuming alcohol. At midnight, he visits the red light area along with his colleague. A colleague went inside the house of the sex workers, but Sanjay apparently waited outside. 2 hours later, which was then the 9th of August at night, we asked, both leave for another red light area in South Kolkata. The colleague again went inside. Sanjay stood outside the house. Roy asked for news from a woman who was passing by. At 3:40 a.m. on the 9th of August, Roy returned to the hospital in a completely intoxicated state. Peeking into the operation theatre in a state in which he was completely drunk, at about 3 minutes past 4 on the 9th of August, which is we hours, he reaches the seminar hall where he sees the victim sleeping. Sanjay then, quote-unquote, jumps onto her and commits the crime. The news is also tightening around the former RG Kar hospital principal, Sandeep Ghosh. A grilling continues at the CBI office for the 6th consecutive day. Remember, the former principal of the hospital has been interrogated 5 times. CBI questioned his actions following the doctor's death, particularly why he delayed the parents' access to their daughter's body for nearly 3 hours. Sources indicate that Ghosh's statements have inconsistencies when compared to others under scrutiny. Ghosh has also been summoned by the Kolkata police for allegedly revealing the victim's identity. In the midst of this, the Congress is demanding a polygraph and narco test for the police commissioner and other officials involved in the RG Kar murder case, asserting that Ghosh and accused Sanjay Roy are not the only ones responsible.
আরো বড় বড় টেস্ট করা দরকার, পলিগ্রাফ, নার্কো সব টেস্ট করা দরকার। এখানকার যারা পুলিশ কমিশনার আছে, যারা বড় বড় তদন্তের মাথা ছিল, তাদেরও করা দরকার। তারা অনেক মিথ্যা কথা বলেছে বলে আমি দৃঢ়ভাবে বিশ্বাস করি। তারা বিভ্রান্ত অবশ্যই, তাদেরও করা দরকার। শুধু সঞ্জয় দত্তার সন্দীপকে না, সন্দীপ সঞ্জয়ের মতো এরকম অনেক অনেক রাঘব বোয়াল আছে। এখানকার পুলিশের যারা দায়িত্বে ছিল, পুলিশের যারা নেতৃত্বে তদন্ত হয়েছে, তাদের বিরুদ্ধে প্রচুর প্রশ্ন আছে আমাদের। তাদের দরকার হলে পলিগ্রাফ করতে হবে, এটা কোনো অপরাধ নয়।
Ritik Mondal, tracking that story for us, is joining us at this point in time. Ritik, the fact of the matter is that as far as the investigations here are concerned, doctors have been seeking answers, and so has the Supreme Court of India. But as far as the accused here is concerned, there is very little progress that has been made in this direction. With the questioning of the former principal that continues, of course his role is questionable, but just one person has been arrested so far, when the allegations, of course, from day one was that this is a case indeed of gang rape.
Well, definitely this matter is with the CBI now, and they have intensified their way of probe. Remember that a lot of specialized team have been deployed of the central probing agencies, and those are efficient enough to deal with such a kind of horrific crime that took place. Yes, you rightly pointed out. So far, there is no further major details or progress with regards to the crime, because yes, from the very day one, and since when I am covering this story, I did receive several claims from the doctors and many people across the city that they said they feel that it could not be a solo crime, something did by this person, that is Sanjay Roy, who has been already arrested. It could have some more involvement, but it would be interesting to see when the CBI, the Central Probing Team, would submit a status report before the Apex Court tomorrow, because as it has been instructed by the Supreme Court, remember that all shots of measure being taken, but questions remain unanswered. Why police and the West Bengal government took so much time to initiate this probe, to set up an SIT to probe the charges, corruption charges, and I'm letting my viewers and that the serious charges were leveled against Sandeep Ghosh, the Daden principal, and the charges of corruptions, malpractices, those were not, and charges and complaint were lodged with the concerned authority of the health department, with the police, with evidences from the higher authority or other colleagues of Sandeep Ghosh earlier also, but the state government or the government did not took any cognizance to this matter, and hurriedly they have formed an SIT. It is a situation when matter is being investigated by CBI, and today is the 6th day that he will be summoned. So Sandeep Ghosh's role is not beyond questions. So a lot of things are being asked, and many claims are there. Many have accused. Even we spoke to some doctors and senior authority of this hospital, be it the former authorities or who are also holding posts in this situation. They alleges that yes, Sandeep Ghosh is one of the powerful and influential person, and he was close to authority, government bodies and top leaders of the ruling dispensation. That's raised an alarm, and possibly why the CBI is probing his role as the principal, what the action he did take, and why the victim parents are alleging that when they reached to the hospital after receiving the news of the demise of their only child, why the higher authority, the principal of the hospital did not meet them, brief them, and said that he was busy, so he can't speak to the victim parents. That raises only questions which needs to answer, and CBI is leaving no stone unturned to find the facts, the main story behind this heinous crime. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Ritik Mondal, getting us up to speed with those details. Thanking you for joining us and tracking that story very, very closely. The focus of the investigation in the Kolkata rape and murder case seems to now be on the former principal of the RG Kar Medical College, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. He's been questioned for 5 straight days by the CBI. Sources say he has been inconsistent in his responses. What's more, the Kolkata police has now filed a case of corruption against him.
Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, former principal, RG Kar Medical College. He's the man at the center of the Kolkata rape and murder horror. Under fire for allegedly trying to pass off crime as suicide.
After the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning, the principal of the hospital tries to pass this off as a suicide.
Not true, not true, not true.
Her parents are not allowed to see the body. The parents are not allowed to see the body for almost...
No, but this is...
So the principal resigns from this medical college.
He's sent to another hospital.
He's appointed as a principal of another college.
The victim's parents now alleged that he was trying to hide something the night their daughter was brutalized.
उसने हमसे बात भी नहीं किया। सारे दिन हम उधर 12 बजे से शाम 7 बजे तक था। उस टाइम हम
कितने समय तक आपको इंतजार करना पड़ा?
4 घंटे।
तो आपको भी शक है कि प्रिंसिपल को छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, इसीलिए इस तरह का बर्ताव था?
छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
Dr. Sandeep Ghosh has been grilled for 5 straight days by the CBI. He has been questioned for over 50 hours and counting. India Today has exclusively accessed details of the CBI's questioning. He's been asked to specify what he did after being informed of the 31-year-old doctor's death, who he contacted after. Why he made parents wait for nearly 3 hours before they could see their daughter's body. Why did he order renovation of area near the crime scene, the seminar hall where the trainee doctor's body was found on August 9th?
Sources have confirmed to India Today that the former principal of RG Kar, Sandeep Ghosh, has some inconsistencies in the answers that he's giving to the investigators. It is being suggested that there are contradictions in his statements when corroborated with others who have also been questioned by the CBI. That's precisely the reason his chat details and call records are also being looked at by the CBI.
It is not just an alleged cover-up. There are allegations of corruption and extortion also against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. The Kolkata police has now filed a corruption case against him. An SIT has also been formed to probe RG Kar Medical College's finances from January 2021 till date. With Shreya Chatterjee in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.